The growth in Toshi is insane. One of the leading meme coins on the base blockchain is going up more than 50% today alone. This is the rally I'm talking about, and this is the chart for the week. We are up more than 100% in the last 7 days. Now, we talked about Toshi on this channel 5 days ago already. That was when we were at 0.0001400. Now we are at 0.0001900. So if today is your first time you hear about Toshi, maybe you should be following different channels. Maybe you should be following channels like this. Now, I will talk about things in this video about Toshi that a lot of supporters will not like. I'm okay with that though. This is not a channel that just shills random tokens. Instead, this channel focuses on objective data, and I want to show you data that most people are not looking at. This here is the base chain explorer page of Toshi, and this looks good, right? The number of holders is increasing, and the token distribution also looks relatively equal. But it's very, very important to dig deeper. It's very important to find out what are the whales doing versus what is small retail doing. And here's a tool I've developed myself to answer exactly that question. If you want to get access to this, feel free to check out the premium membership. Link is down below, thebitcoinstrategy.com. Now we've got 6 charts here. Let's look at the first row. This is a daily chart, and the left side shows the number of holders of the Toshi token that have at least $100 worth of the token in their wallet. Now in total there are 11,900 holders, but only roughly 7,000 have more than $100 in it. Still, I'd consider this small retail. In the middle we go one order of magnitude up, so that's now $1,000 worth of the token. On the right, we've got $10,000 worth of the token. So pretty much the whales. There are 800 such wallets, and that's maybe the top 6 or 7% of all holders. That's the long-term development. Now see how recently small retail continues to accumulate. Medium retail accumulates a little bit slower, and the whales even in aggregate exit Toshi. Now I have shown a very similar chart in the prior video. In this video, we are going to break this down further. We are not going to look at the daily chart. We're going to zoom in and look at the hourly development in the last 30 days. So we're not interested in what happened in October or November. We're just going to look at the last 30 days and we zoom in on that action. So that's what we get over here. The same holder thresholds. Small retail pretty much never sells in aggregate. The number of small retail wallets increased in the last month by roughly 12.5%. We also have an increase in the number of wallets that hold at least $1,000. We have a decrease though in the number of whale wallets. Now when the number of retail wallets increases by 12.5%, shouldn't the price go up? The answer is yes, and indeed it did go up even by 35%, but look at how erratic those movements are. This is not steady growth, while retail adoption is very, very steady. So really what's moving the price here is probably not retail, it's probably the whales. And I'm not sure if it makes sense to bet on this graph here going up. I'm okay to bet on the left graph to continue to go up. I'm not so okay to bet on the right graph to continue to go up. I prefer meme coins where all kinds of wallet cohorts continue to accumulate even as the price goes up. And in the last month, there wasn't a lot of price movements, right? There was simply just a lot of erratic ups and downs. So maybe this is a token that can be used to trade ranges, right? To buy low and sell high, and to try to use the volatility. But I'm not sure if it's that great for holding over the very long term. For active trading, it does look very interesting though. The channel is relatively large. This is a 2.5x or so from the bottom to the top, which would now imply that maybe it might make sense to take some profit. I don't have a crystal ball either, right? I'm simply just presenting additional data to help you make your own decisions. Don't expect a YouTuber to make investment decisions for you. If it's your first time here, feel free to subscribe. I publish videos regularly. A like would be very much appreciated as well. It helps the channel grow. There's also a free Telegram. Link is down below.